Subway welcomes you to their clean, friendly, and comfortable ambience of their restaurants. Introducing Subway pizzas, freshly made crust, garnished with creamy mozzarella cheese, and your fresh veggies and meats topped with Subway's signature sauces. Sink your teeth into their specialty cookies.
I love it. I have all my favorite sauces on. Chicken teriyaki is my absolute favorite meat here at Subway. And the good thing about it, it only costs $35.
Mine is veggie, like I mentioned, but the good thing about it is that the veggies, it's loaded, the sauces. I choose the normal sauces that I normally choose on Subway. So it gives you that feel-good Subway feeling on a pizza.
Enjoy their wide range of meats, fresh vegetables. Subway tops them all.
There we go, and that's how Subway pizza makes you feel when you have a Subway pizza. I'm here with Devon Udit, who is the VP of Subway. And Devon, or Mr. Udit, tell us why Subway pizza, and certainly as well what you have to throw out while we had pizza to taste about Subway pizza.
Well, Subway Pizza. Subway is proud to bring pizza to Trinidad and Tobago the Subway way. The same great taste that you're accustomed to at Subway, the same great choice, but we top them all. Subway is dedicated to bringing more convenience to you, to all of our guests. You're not only able to come into the restaurant, you can also reach us by ordering online at subwaytt.com, and you can also order delivery at 226 subs.
Imagine the same exciting ingredients on a salad placed on the all-new Subway pizza, wrapped into a Subway wrap or the traditional sub that we all love.
Subway's pizza was so good, I ordered a meatball to go.
Personal handcrafted pizza, now available at Subway.